Want to make your Discord server stand out and give your members a shared identity? Let's talk about server tags, one of the newest Discord features. A server tag is a short, custom 4-character badge with a color and icon that your server members can wear on their profile. It's like repping your favorite server directly on your Discord profile. To unlock server tags, your server needs 3 server boosts. No specific boost level required. Go to your server boost tab, and if you have 3 boosts available, hover over server tags and click Enable Perk. Once unlocked, go to Server Settings, Server Tag. There you can set a 4-character name, a badge icon, a custom color. If you change the tag, members must reapply it manually. To apply a tag to your profile, click the cogwheel next to your name. Go to Profiles, scroll down to Server Tags, and pick one. On mobile, tap your avatar, edit profile, scroll to Server Tags, and choose your favorite. Server tags are great for community identity and visibility, especially if you're building a brand, project, or fandom. That's how server tags work in 2025. Like and follow for more Discord features and community growth tips.